मोटिवेट क्या इंस्पायर किया युद्रा जैसे लाइक मूवी करने के लिए? बिकॉज इसके पहले आपने खो गए, हम कहा, इसमें किया है, फिर गहराइया. सो व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू फॉर डूइंग दिस मूवी?
एक्चुअली सच बताऊं तो ये पहली फिल्म थी जो मैंने साइन की थी गली बॉय के पास, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा। और व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड मी वाज द पीपल हु आई ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू, जिनके साथ मुझे हमेशा काम करना था। फरहान सर, उन्होंने स्क्रीन प्ले, स्टोरी, डायलॉग्स, श्रीधर सर, रितेश सर, रवि सर, और इससे ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग सेटअप, क्योंकि जब एक कहानी, एक्सेल जब भी एक कोई कहानी बनाता है वो सिर्फ बनाने के लिए नहीं बनाता। कहानी आई थिंक इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग विच इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड आउट ऑफ एक्सेल। सो द स्टोरी is what actually I connected to. The story is what I, really loved, and I wanted to do it, and the people who are making it, and to just, I think I was, um, I got lucky with that I got such a big film, and especially right after Gully Boy, just one film old, that too not the lead guy, supporting actor in that, and to just mount such a big film. I think it's Ritesh sir and Farhan sir who actually had shown faith in me. ये मतलब मेरा से कहूँगा, अगर इतने इतनी बड़ी फिल्म कोई आपके पास लेके आता है तो मतलब ये तो मेरा सौभाग्य है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। तो आई एम लकी टू बी एबल टू डू व्हाट आई ऑलवेज लव टू डू।
अभी मैं वैसे एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, अभी इतना कॉर्पोरेट सिस्टम हो गया ना फिल्म्स का भी, कि 2 महीने में 4 महीने में रेडी करके दो, डेडलाइंस। तो पहले तो मुगले आजम बनती थी ना, तो कोई सवाल नहीं करता था। अभी ये फिल्म जो जमा टिका के हमने बनाई है और स्टाइलाइज्ड वे से बनाई है, इसको कुछ चीज़ों को, कुछ बेमिसाल चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है, और ये उनमें से एक है। सो आई थिंक यस।
How challenging was the wait? I think I did a couple of films in between. For me, I just love being in front of the camera. Um, I want to just go out and act. And the process obviously takes long. And when I wanted to be an actor, I knew कि काम मिलने से पहले भी बहुत इंतज़ार है, काम मिलने के बाद भी बहुत इंतज़ार होगा। और बस आई मीन आई वाज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि आई नो, मुझे पता था कि ये बहुत कुछ अलग बना रहे हैं हम। वी मेकिंग समथिंग वेरी बिग, वी मेकिंग समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल। सो आई डेंट माइंड द वेट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। I never went restless about it, but I was very curious about how it's happening. Because being part of such a big film, I was constantly calling Ravi sir or Ritesh sir ki, okay, what are we doing with that? Like, I just wanted to know the process of an action film, how it's made. But the sound design is going to be very, Pranav, if he's here, he's done a great job. When you see the film in the theater, it's path breaking in sound design. You'll feel hear each and every little dust particle also falling on the ground. So I've been a part of this process, so I almost feel like I was part of the team. I became an intern to Ravi sir. We were constantly sharing ideas with Ritesh sir for the poster, for everything. So for me, it's been a very, it's almost like a film school, after the wait. And it's beautiful, I think. I learned so much waiting for this film, actually.
Lastly, I want to ask for everyone, you all are part of Indian cinema now, and Hema Committee report is out, so I would like to know your reaction or your...
I'm so sorry, this is not a question that we're going to give an answer to today. This is about a film, and I'm really sorry. It doesn't allow me to, go there at this point. Thank you.
Hi. Hi, my name is Nishad and I'm from News 18. My question is to Malvika. Malvika, first of all, congratulations on Tangalan. Hello. The movie is amazing as well down south, and we'll see you in a different avatar as well soon in Hindi as well. I just want to know that we see you in a very different shape in as Aarti, and over here you're in a completely different avatar, and you're very angry there, and you said there is one very angry scene over here. So how much of Malvika is there in real in both the movies?
Hi, it's good to see you so quickly, so soon again, I must say. Yeah, thank you for all your kind words about Tangalan. The film it just crossed 100 crores, and the North release is still pending. It's only had a South Indian release and across all the South states and worldwide. But the Mumbai release will be out soon, and it's already crossed 100, so we're very happy about that.
I hope it's not releasing on the 20th of September.
It's not.
Oh, okay.
पर यही होता है, हम इतने सारी फिल्में करते हैं, and then you wait, you're waiting for the release period, and then everything releases together. So, but it's a great problem to have. Um, it's two very different films, like you rightfully said, and two very different roles. I feel something I've been actively trying to do, and I say try because as actors, we're also choosing, we're also picking from the opportunities that are coming our way, right? So to get certain kind of films, when you're looking for specific kind of roles, like it's just timing. But I've been trying to be more versatile with the kind of films, with the kind of roles I've been picking instead of getting boxed into like a certain category, which happens very often to female actors. Arati was to, we bring so much of ourselves to every role we play. You know, if I play, so Arati, just to give the ones who don't know context, is the character I played in my previous film. If somebody else had played the character, it would have been very different, obviously. So I think I channeled into different parts of me for that role. And it was very nice to, it's a complete contrast to what I did, Nikhat in Yudra, because she's soft, she's tough also, but there's this feminine softness about her, which was nice to bring to life, to bring to the film. It was an element that the film, you know, there aren't many women in the film, as you could tell from the trailer. So it was nice to be that, you know, to bring the delicate emotions, the nuanced love to the forefront. So that was nice, you know, to do something that's completely different. That was good.
जल्दी से करो सब्सक्राइब